Hello guys, it's Abrar here. Today I'm going to show you a Universal Email Data Extractor Pro 1.0 version. I have developed when this will take for me and extract like a simple folder like this one, and just click open and find this exe file and click open. Now I have some websites, like I want to open this. And this. Okay, when you're working on these websites, just copy paste URLs and emails and contact information. It is very long time and also time wasting and also very hard work. See here, here is the address, phone number and info. Just copy paste. It is very hard work and very long time and also time wasting. So I make a software for this. You just copy paste here all websites URLs and my this tool extract everything from all websites. Okay, now just copy all websites and just paste here, and here is the all websites. So just click on start button. If you want after this complete automatic export, just check this box, and if you don't want, on your choice. So just click on start button. Here is website, domain, emails, phone number, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn and also YouTube. Here's all information is extracting now. And also here is the some options on your choice. If you don't want the domain or website scrapped, so just click uncheck this box and click on apply button. So here is the beautiful notification system, and here is the not showing here and also will be not scrap. And if you again want, so just click here and check box and click on check this box and click on apply button. And here is the also. So I'm going to fast forward video. When this complete, I will show you how to export this all data. See here the time. Let's start. Okay, our all data is scrapped. Here is the button, you can anytime pause and resume. So our all data is complete scrapped. So now to export, so just click on export button and choose your output path. If you want, give the name and choose your output file format and check this box open file after export. So just click on export button. So here is our all data. See here. If you want this get tool, so just contact with me, and if you have any custom projects, so just get in touch. I will happy to assist you. Thanks for watching. Take yourself. Bye bye.